Hello, welcome back to the channel. My name is Todd Collins, and today, yes, I'm going to be doing another unboxing. And by the way, all the unboxings I've done so far are cars I bought with my own money, and these are my personal views on the cars. Now, mind you, I've loved almost all of them because it's such a fun hobby. But anyway, I'm going to be doing an unboxing on a new car, new brand for me. It's an 18 scale on-road basher. And long story short, I was at one of my local hobby stores, Pegasus, over in Montclair. Great store. If you're in there, look it up. It's an awesome hobby store. But anyway, they had this car and they had it on a good deal, and I just couldn't pass it up. So what am I talking about today? Today I'm talking about the Imex Avenger. This little 18 scale car looks to be a lot of fun, so I'm hoping it's as much fun as it looks. The cool thing about this, it's an on-road car, but it comes both with rally and drift tires, which are all in the kit. So anyway, let's get this thing opened. Okay, so the front panel, the model name is Avenger. It's by Imex Radio Control Company. It looks like to be out of Florida. It has a QR code I have yet to scan, but I'm assuming that will take you into their website where you can pull up manuals and whatever support information. This is a ready-to-run car. It comes with both drift and rally or on-road tires. It is 1/16 scale. It does include a gyro for the drifting. It is four-wheel drive, and I did get the brushless version. The top panel shows the layout of the chassis, where the battery goes, the location of the ESC, servo, and the motor, and it just gives you a nice little image of the rest of the car, the chassis of the car, showing the bumpers and shocks and such. All right, the back of the box just gives you three views of the car: the profile, the front view, and then the top-down view. And then let's see, the bottom. There's a lot of noise in that box. The bottle shows you the different bottle types. They make both a brushed and a brushless. Like I said, I did get the brushless model. And let's see, this lid flap talks about the transmitter. The transmitter controls the gyro, dual rates. It has LED controls, speed limit settings, and TXRS status LEDs. I don't know if TX are, maybe that's the traction control. I don't know. We're going to look that up. And it does include both the drift and rally tires. And the other panel, just the detail of the car itself. So it's a 3900 kV motor with heatsink. This is the brushless ESC and RX combo. It runs a 7.4 volt, 1200 milliamp LiPo battery. And then it talks about the brush, but I have the brushless. The length, it gives you the lengths and the widths of the car. If you want, I can put that down below. It's kind of nice to give you the website. All right, so let's get this thing opened so we can see what's actually in the box. All righty, so let's open this guy up. Don't need to cut both sides, but let's see. Okay, there's the owner's manual. All right. There's the car itself. Well, this is kind of hard to see. And let's see. So here's the transmitter, and then another separate box. I'm assuming this is hopefully the battery and such. Oh, that's the tires. All right. All right. So that's everything out of the box. Tell you what. Let's do a proper unboxing so I can show you everything a little up close, because this view for this little car is too far away. All right, so here's what you get in the box. You definitely get the car, you get the battery, which is a 7.4 volt 1200 milliamp battery. You get the USB charger, and you get the owner's manual, which looks pretty extensive. Actually, it's kind of cool. You get a bag of tools, a small Phillips, a nut driver, Allen wrench, and a couple of extra steering linkage and some extra body clips. And then you get the transmitter. Now this car does have electronic steering control, which is the ESP Plus. It has your trim, your dual rate control, the throttle reverse, steering reverse, and then a couple indicators showing the transmitter battery strength and the connection to the car, the RX. So and it feels pretty good. Actually, that's a nice feeling. Oh, it's got some switches, some channels, so maybe you can add on some lights and some other things, or may even come with lights, I believe. So, all right, so that's the car, in the box. And so in the chassis, here you go. All right, so here's the motor with the heat sink. There's the ESC, the battery tray is right here. This just lifts up and slides out, and then the battery just slides right in. And then it drops right back in. So that's kind of cool. All right. So the ESC, the servo, it's a tiny little thing. So this already comes with the rally tires on. So I'm gonna try the rallies first, and then we'll give the drift a try. And there, oh, there's the undercarriage. All right, nice and smooth. Probably won't stay that way. Nice big. The bumpers feel pretty strong. Um, so that's the car and the chassis. So let's get the battery charged. I got a great parking lot I want to go try this at. And so we'll get it all charged up and I meet you at the parking lot. All right, so here we go. We're over at one of the local athletic parks by my house. It's a relatively new facility, so the parking lot's really nice and new and nice and smooth. So, matter of fact, this is the same place where I ran the Kyosho El Camino and the GTO, and I'll post those videos up above. But this is a fun place to run on-road cars, so we're gonna give the Imex Avenger a run around here, and I'm gonna do a quick speed run to see what it can actually do. So, let's get started. It's really pulling to the right. It really likes to pull to the right. I have to take it apart because something's not right. So anyway, let's just run it. All right, full throttle here. Let's see what that run was. 18 miles an hour. Now this is a brushless motor, but it's a little hard to control. Like I said, it keeps wanting to pull to the right. But let me get one more speed run, and then it's just time for have some bashing fun. Yeah, that was a good run. Bring it back. Let's see what that was. And read. So let's look at 18 again. All right, now it's just time for some bashing fun. All right, here we go. It's a little squirrely, but let's see. Let's see if we get that drift around. That was not a bad one. Let's slide, come back. And then this is an all-wheel drive. There we go. Now I'm starting to get the hold of this thing. There we go. Now this does come with traction control, but I do have it turned completely off because it seems. Matter of fact, let me show you. With traction control on, it seems really twitchy. So we'll turn it up. Let's see. That's all the way off. Let's go about 50%. So it's kind of little twitchy. Coming straight right back at you. All right, let's turn that off. We're just gonna have some bashing fun. So here we go. Let's get some going around this thing. Here we go. Let's hit this. Oh, too far. Ah, watch the curb. Ah! Oh, there's crash number one. All right, let's try this again. Here we go. Let's go. Get around this turn. Nah, guess I'm not getting around the turn today. All right, let's go. Swing it around. Tell you, this one just takes really micro turns. You turn too much and you're spun. There we go. Oh yeah, see that's the trick with this thing. It's really sensitive. So it's just really micro adjustments on the turning. But once you get that down, you can have some fun with it. Let's get a donut. There we go. Bring it back. Oh yeah, see that's it. See, get a nice drift around this turn. A little too much oversteering on my part that time. Yep. And hit the turn. I was afraid of the curb that time. Nice big arcing turn. Let's hit that slide. Yeah, see with that was close. Yeah, with this one, with this Avenger, And this is the thing I got to get used to is micro turns, micro adjustments. You know, I have a tendency to oversteer as it is, and so this is a good training tool for me to learn how not to make big. See, like that was way too big of a turn of the control wheel. Little. There we go. There we go. Now the cool thing about this car is it comes with rally tires as well as drift tires, so you can have both sets of fun. Now, I didn't bring the drift with me; I forgot them, so that'll be another video with the drift. But this little car handles it, once you get the used to the control of it, it's actually pretty fun to drive. Sorry about the motorcycle going by now, but no, it's a pretty quick little car. I think the battery's going. Yeah, battery's going out already. Yeah, you definitely want to get a second. Yeah, that's it for the battery. All right, well that's that run. But you know what's cool? I didn't notice it in the other day until I just turned the lights on. So it's got some really cool headlights, almost like demon eyes around it. When I get back home, I try to get a shot of that in the dark so it shows up a little bit, or at least in the garage. But it's a nice looking car. I mean, I like the flag graphics and everything on it. The lights are really kind of cool, and it comes that way, so it's kind of nice out of the box that way. All right, well, there you have the Imex Avenger, little brushless, all-wheel drive, 18th scale little on-road basher. Like I said, it is a fun little car. Once you get used to it, you got to get used to the steering on this. It's very sensitive, but once you get used to that, it's kind of fun. I had a good time in the parking lot, as you saw. Um, and for $149, it's a great price point. It's nice, it's a nice size for out here. And even with the drift tires, it'd probably be a good size for a garage. Like I have a two-car garage. I'm gonna give it out a shot when I get home. That'll be another video. But yeah, it's a fun little car. So yeah, I kind of like IMAX. I like your little Avenger. I'm gonna go see what else they have, especially at this price point. It's a nice little entry level, inexpensive car. I would highly recommend getting another battery because that ran out pretty quick. I didn't time to see how long it lasts. That's a wrap on the Avenger. And first of all, let me thank all those that have been subscribing and liking the videos. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. It costs you nothing. Hit the like so that my videos get out there a little further so we can keep growing the hobby. And hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload new videos. But remember, the most important thing, just keep bashing, keep crawling, keep dragging. But most of all, keep having fun. See you in the next video. Peace.